The Lee Deluxe Challenger Kit is designed for both handgun and rifle reloaders that batch load and prefer to prime off the press. Save money by purchasing this kit. It includes the best products Lee has to offer and everything you need to start reloading, with the addition of cartridge-specific reloading dies and case trimmer if reloading rifle. Includes complete case preparation tools, the cutter and lock stud, primer pocket cleaner and chamfer tool, and deluxe quick trim case trimmer. You'll also receive the Auto Bench Prime with mounting hardware and priming tool shell holder set that works with over 115 cartridges. The Deluxe Perfect Powder Measure and powder funnel are included for dispensing charges. It also includes the safety powder scale for verifying your charge. Look up your favorite load recipe in the included modern reloading manual. Resizing lubricant for lubricating your brass is also included.